What's going on, guys? So today was a little bit more of a choppier action day. Personally, for myself, I sat out. What I was realistically looking for was a confirmation below the first hour lows or a break of overnight session highs before I gained any interest in going long or short. But again, that does not mean that there wasn't any opportunities. There was multiple people inside of Evolution Traders community who made money. Congratulations to Shift. Congratulations to Burks, Biggs. I know I'm missing a few others, but just off the top of my head, I know you guys made some money today. Congratulations to all of you guys. Again, also, Neki, you're a newer member. You've absolutely been crushing it as well. But again, let's go over a strategy. Again, I've been, kind of hinting around at this strategy on YouTube. But when you identify that it's a little bit of a choppier day, there's a couple of things that need to happen. First thing that needs to happen is you need to realize that it's a choppier day, that we're inside of a range. So once you identify that, now you can start to formulate a game plan. That game plan should be that you need to size down. Okay, so whatever you normally play contract wise, you need to cut it in half. 2, you need to take profits sooner. Okay. 3, you need to not let trades go against you. Remember those 3 things after you identify that it's a range bound day, and you're going to do a lot better. We're looking at a 1-minute time frame. We're looking at the 9 EMA. What we're looking for is when we close under or over the 9 EMA, we're going to look for entries on that short-term change in trend to just try to catch a little bit of momentum as a scalp. We're going to set a hard stop loss any close. Okay, so again, the number of contracts that you play is going to be dependent on what the range is. So for example, notice the first setup here. Okay, let me make this a little bit bigger. Notice the first setup right off the bell. Okay, so your stop loss is going to be when we close over that candle that closes below that 9 EMA. Okay, your entry is a confirmation below the low wick here. Boom. You're going to get in this range, okay, of this candle that you're going to enter in. This is your reason why candle. It's 30 points. So just understand that if you lose this trade, you're going to lose 30 points. So let's talk in an example of we're going to play 1 micro contract. The most we can lose is $60. Okay, but we're also looking to make around $60. Again, do you have to get that perfect 1-to-1 exactly? Can you take profits a little bit sooner if you feel like the price action is not going in your favor fast enough? Sure, right? Whatever you got to do to protect yourself. So if you're going to get in through a low of 17,457, what you're essentially looking for is a price, to start taking profits in the 20s, right? From the 50s to the 20s. So you're going to get that action here on this candle. We get all the way down into the 20s. So you would have held this for 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. You would have made 30 points on it. You could have called it a day. Again, if you played a little bit more contracts, you could have done that as well. The next setup that happens is here. Okay. Notice you're going to put a stop loss on any close below your 1-bar stop system. You're going to get in on the next candle that confirms the candle that closes back over the 9 EMA. This is a 22-point range. You would have hit for another trade there. So essentially, I want to kind of limit this strategy to the first 1 hour of the market, the first, an hour and 20 minutes, hour and a half. I don't really want to be sitting trading all day, because again, trading is a numbers game. It's a probabilities game. If you do get off to a hot start and you win 1, 2, 3 trades in a row, you might as well, call your luck good there and end the day on a profitable green day. Remember that, guys, just because you show up to work and you sit in front of these computer screens does not mean that the market needs to pay you each and every single trade and all day long. Okay. Make some money, get the hell out, go do something else. Make some money, get the hell out, go do something else. I'm going to be completely frank with you. You're not going to buy a Lamborghini off 1 trading day. Okay. You're not going to retire tomorrow. It's just not going to happen. I don't care how many contracts you put on. You are not going to retire tomorrow because you have a killer day. It's not going to work that way. Another trade setup was here. This one never confirms. This one does confirms, would have gotten stopped out here. So a little bit of a loss here for 16 points. This one confirms here for 13 points. You would have hit on this one. This one confirms here for 15 points. You would have hit on this one. Again, there's multiple trade setups that are going on in between that. But if you were in this trade here, you would still be in the trade until you get your 15 points. Again, as long as we don't break over that one bar and as long as we don't close over that, you know, you have to stay in the trade. Again, once you get into the trade, you're holding it until you're going to take profits or until you get stopped out because a candle closes over your reason why. Again, what is your reason why? Reason why is here. That's your reason why candle. What's your reason why? This range is your reason why. What's your reason why? This range. What's your reason why? This range. This is a loser. Okay. What's your reason why? No trade there, never confirms. Reason why is here, this one, right? So again, get comfortable, start back testing this, start looking through it, see where you could potentially make money, where you could potentially hold, where you could potentially get better. If you would like to trade with me and kind of watch these setups each and every single day, I've got a lot more strategies that I go over in Evolution Traders. I also do one-on-one coaching calls and mentorship. I also do, you know, run a community where I'm posting up learning lessons and just different stuff to help you become a better trader. If you would like that kind of extra help and maybe you feel like that'd be a good thing for you, I'll see all of you guys on the inside. It's the link down in the description box below. Join Evolution Traders, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.